Good, af- good afternoon. We'll now start. First of all, I'd like to welcome everybody to this pep talk this afternoon. Please mute yourself, but always show your video picture. Sign in your name, your Facebook account, or email address in the chat box. Please include the names of companions attending. Use the chat box to ask questions while the pep talk is on. And then there will be group pictures at the start and end of the pep talk. So please show your faces in the video. As a reminder, after the pep talk, please take the online learning evaluation test exercise for mastery of learning and have a perfect score to get a certificate like this one shown here. I have placed the link in the chat box. And then another reminder, obtaining 25 OLETE certificates will entitle one mentee to a free voucher for a RO Hoson medical consultations, either face-to-face or telemedical. Another request, please type in your feedback in the chat box during the open forum and before we adjourn. Thank you. Let's now have a group picture taking before we start the pep talk proper in 2 minutes. Please turn on your video now. Set. Everybody, may naiiwan pa. All ready? 1, 2, 3. I have a patient empowerment program in which I like to empower the lay people or patients to take control in the management of their health. I started the pep talk on May 15, 2021 during the COVID-19 pandemic. There are 3 courses in the pep talk. I completed the core course on October 9, 2021. And from October 23, 2021 onwards, I've been tackling health disorder and health issue courses. May 17, 2025 marks the start of year number 5 for the RO Hoson Pep Talk. How long the pep talk will last will depend on our enthusiasm, discipline, and perseverance. My pep talk today is entitled Heart Month, Love, Sexual, and Cardiovascular Health. The empowerment objective is for the lay people to have an understanding on how to manage the Heart Month as part of their health management. Contents of this particular pep talk will be the following. What is the Heart Month? What are the usual implications of the Heart Month? How to promote healthy love during the Heart Month, how to promote sexual health during the Heart Month, and how to promote healthy cardiovascular health during the Heart Month. Disclaimer, the R.O. Hoson Pep Talk contains the R.O. Hoson's thoughts, perceptions, opinions, and recommendations, or TPORs, culled from the experiences of Dr. Hoson and the writings of other health professionals. What is the Heart Month? February is traditionally considered as the Heart Month, buwan ng puso. Essentially, it is because it is in the month of February that we traditionally celebrate Valentine's Day, February 14. Valentine's Day is considered a love day or a loving heart day. As an offshoot of February being the month that we celebrate Loving Heart Day, the medical profession, mga doktor, in its programs all over the world to raise awareness of the importance of cardiovascular health in the community has designated, sinabay na lang yung February as the Cardiovascular Health Month or simply Heart Month. So what are the usual implications of the Heart Month? On a personal level, for the purpose of my patient empowerment program and education for health development in the Philippines, I have formulated the following implications of the Heart Month. It is the month of February that I will use to create a more comprehensive package of awareness on the importance of healthy love, sexual health, and cardiovascular health. In other words, I'll be trying to consolidate, if not to integrate, the above mentioned three kinds of health into one package of awareness program. So Valentine's Day, this is a Valentine's Day is considered to be the symbolic or an emotional health. February 14, the Valentine's Day centers on number one, love, affection, and emotional connection. The heart as a symbol of emotions, relationships, and intimacy. There are a lot of expressions of care, gift, particularly flowers, foods, sex, celebrations, social gatherings. The implication on health for Valentine's Day would be the following. The emotional well-being and social bonding positively affect the cardiovascular health. Strong relationship, social support, and reduced loneliness are linked to mababa ang blood pressure, to lower blood pressure, reduce stress hormones, lower risk of heart disease. Thus, Valentine's Day support the psychosocial dimension of the Heart Month if this is done positively. Kung negatively, magiging negative ang impact dun sa psychosocial dimension. Now, as to the Heart Month, this is the medical and public health heart. Heart Month is officially dedicated to cardiovascular disease or CVD awareness. The leading cause of death in the Philippines is the cardiovascular disease. Yan ang pinaka-common. Yung cancer, second to it lang. Okay. Ang leading cause of death in the Philippines is still the cardiovascular diseases. So this includes the ischemic heart disease. Usually, pag may ischemic heart disease, we call it heart attack. Then stroke, sa utak naman, and then the so-called hypertension-related complications. Yung mga may high blood, nagkakaroon ng complications, which may lead to ischemic heart disease or heart attack and stroke. The main goals of the cardiovascular disease awareness program will be the following. You want to promote prevention of all those diseases, encourage early detection, improve the lifestyle modification, which is important in prevention, okay? And then reduce also the risk factors, which is also important in the prevention. So I think four main goals. Then the key medical messages for the cardiovascular disease awareness will be eat a healthy diet, involved in physical activity, number two. Then smoking cessation or do not smoke at all. Blood pressure control, control yung blood pressure. And then blood sugar and cholesterol monitoring or even control them. Blood sugar and cholesterol control. So 5, healthy diet, physical activity, smoking, blood pressure control, and then monitoring and control of blood sugar and cholesterol. So this is the beautiful link, lab, and we link it to the heart health. The timing of Heart Month alongside Valentine's Day is strategic and symbolic. The core message is if you love someone, help protect their heart. Or if you love yourself, help protect your heart also. Another core message, especially during the present Valentine's celebration in Karen, if you love someone, practice responsible, moral, and safe sex. Now, these are the Valentine's theme on the left side: love, caring for others, giving gift, and romance. And then the medical translation for these themes will be the following. So, For love, you do a self-care, self-love. Then you care also for others. You love others. Okay. And then you also, for the medical part, you encourage your loved ones to be involved in the cardiovascular awareness and have them check check up by the physicians for their heart. Then giving gift, so you can give help through BP checks, exercise, healthy meals, stress reduction, okay, emotional well-being, responsible, moral, and safe sex. This is for romance. Okay, romance will be responsible, moral, and safe sex. Okay. In the Philippines, the Heart Month campaigns commonly integrate the following Valentine's theme: Pusong Alagang Totoo, i-heart ang healthy lifestyle, walang forever sa puso kung hindi inaalagaan. So we integrate the Valentine's theme into the Medical Heart Month. So this helped the medical messages emotionally resonate and improve the public engagement, hopefully. Practical implications for the medical and public health practice. For the clinicians, the mga doktor, we usually use the Valentine's season to encourage heart screening, promote couples lifestyle changes, and then conduct blood pressure, okay, BP, sugar, cholesterol campaigns. For the hospital, they usually free clinics. Makikita niyo maraming advertisement today, no? Mga free clinics on free ECG, BP screening devices, then heart health services, and then maraming Valentine's theme health posters. For the public, so we enjoin the public to replace the unhealthy celebrations with heart healthy meals, diet, walking dates for exercise, and then medical checkups as gift. In essence, Valentine's Day touches the emotional heart. The heart months protect the biological heart. In talagang puso. February unites the love and medicine, making it the perfect time to remind people that, number one, true love begins with caring for your own heart and protecting the heart of those you love. And then true love entails responsible, moral, and safe sex. This is particularly true in the current connotations of Valentine's Day. Mga romance, more romance. Okay. Now, let me go through these items: how to promote healthy love, how to promote sexual health, how to promote healthy cardiovascular health during the heart month. So let's start with healthy love. Healthy love is not confined to love and sex for the lovers and husband and wife, as currently implied during celebration of Valentine's Day. Healthy love is encompassing and includes love for everybody along the line of the greatest commandment, the so-called spiritual love. Love your neighbors as you love yourself. So here's just a brief history of Valentine's Day for those who don't know or who have forgotten what is the origin of Valentine's Day. Valentine is actually Saint Valentine. Okay, it's a saint, a priest who was martyred in 269 after Christ during the Roman persecution of Christians. As such, the original celebration of Valentine's Day was in association with the religious life of Saint Valentine with a theme of spiritual love for other people. But later on, somehow, nag-evolve yung Valentine's, naging commercialized, naging celebration of romantic love. In the heart months, promote the following. This is part of my suggestions in promoting healthy love. Love for other people. Love your neighbors as you love yourself in whatever way you can. So through caring and compassionate love. Love not only your lover or your spouse. Love other people, your neighbors. So that is the message for Healthy Lab. How to promote sexual health. Valentine's Day is commonly equated with romantic love, which usually is associated with sex. Nothing wrong with this, as long as the romantic love is associated with responsible, moral, and safe sex, not resulting in unwanted pregnancy, immoral sex, and sexually transmitted diseases. So yan ang associated connotation of sexual health in during Valentine's Day. So here is a joke that you can see in the TikTok or no. If he takes if your he if the husband takes out to dinner somebody on the 13th February 13th, then you are the mistress. On the 14th, you are the girlfriend. If he doesn't take you out at all, then you are the wife. So congratulations. Pag hindi ka nilabas, you are your wife. Pero kung meron siyang nilabas sa 13th, mistress yon. Pag sa 14th, girlfriend. Okay, how to promote healthy cardiovascular health during the heart month? More medical na ngayon. Okay. So, eat a healthy heart, meaning you focus on low salt, pag masyadong maalat, low fat, masyadong mamantika, then high fiber food. Madali naman tandaan ito. Low salt, low fat, high fiber food. So more on fish, more on vegetables, more on fruits, more on whole grains. Less on fried foods like chicharon, deep fried meats, processed foods like hot dogs, tocino, longanisa, instant noodles. So take less of this if you have to take them. Sugary drinks like soft drinks, huwag masyadong iinom o pwedeng i-abstain from soft drinks, milk, tea, and sweetened juices. Then, do not less of excess salt and bagoong. So follow there's usually there's a recommendation by the Nutritional Council, Pinggang Pinoy, which is a healthy diet, heart healthy diet, and balanced diet. Number 2, how to protect your heart during the heart month. Move more. So at least 30 minutes of daily walking, daily exercise, daily movement. Any activity that raises your heart rate helps. Basta tumataas yung heart rate mo ng konti, no? with your movement, kahit na anong klaseng movement, particularly exercise, okay yon. So good options for moving more will be walking, dancing, cycling, for those who are involved in cycling, swimming, pickleball, the other, yung mga ibang klaseng sports, pwede. Okay? Household chores done continuously. Pag may nag-work sa bahay, but being done continuously, that's part of the moving. Okay? So target 150 minutes per week of moderate exercise. Yan ang recommendation dito. So this is the number 2 measures to protect your heart during the heart month, okay, which we should promote after the heart month. Tuloy-tuloy na yon. The third method will be recommendation is control the silent killers. Ang silent killers will be the high blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol. So have them checked regularly. Even without symptoms, this can already damage your heart. Wala tayong nararamdaman. So the ideal target is to get 120 per over 80 per minute millimeters mercury, and then fasting blood sugar as much as possible, less than 100 milligrams per deciliter. Then the low density level cholesterol will be the low level lipoprotein cholesterol will be the less than 100 milligrams per deciliter. Ito yung mga target. No? Now, number 4, measures to protect your heart during the heart month and thereafter. to stop smoking and limit alcohol. So quit smoking completely if you are smoking. There's no such thing as isa lang, pwede na. Smoking in moderation, pwede, wala. Stop zero. Tanggalin niyo yung smoking. Then alcohol, pwede pang i-limit, pwede uminom ng konti, but limit the alcohol. But as much as possible, try to eliminate it also. So better yet, avoid alcohol entirely. Now, for the fifth measure in how to protect your heart during the heart month will be to manage stress and sleep well. Stress is also a factor in causing heart problem. So chronic stress and lack of sleep strain the heart. Aim at for 7 to 8 hours of sleep as much as possible. Then practice the following as a recommendations to avoid this stress and sleep well. Prayer, meditation, deep breathing exercises, relaxation exercises, and short breaks between or during work. And other measures that you can think of. Basta ma-avoid lang yung the stress and also avoid the promote relaxation. Number 6 measures to protect the heart during the heart month and thereafter will be maintain a healthy weight. Target the BMI, body mass index at 18.5 to 24.9. Ako, ang tinatarget ko is 72. Mahirap, pero still successful pa naman for the past 10 years, 72 kilograms. That's my upper limit of my 24.9. Then if you are more than the normal, nasa obese side or overweight side, try to have a weight reduction of even kahit na 5 to 10% weight loss. Okay? Pababain lang. Because this can significantly reduce the heart risk, the heart attack. You know. Then last one, recommendation on how to protect your heart during the heart month is to know the early warning signs of heart attack. And then eventually you may have to know the early warning signs of stroke also, which is common. Okay, but for the moment, let's just focus on the early warning signs of heart attack. So in the Philippines, that's why it's called common Filipino symptoms. In the Philippines, ito yung mga common symptoms. Chest heaviness or pain, yung masakit, particularly on the left side. No? And then left arm, jaw, neck, or back pain. Another common symptoms. Shortness of breath, cold sweat, malamig yung pawis, sudden fatigue, nausea, and vomiting. So if you have all these symptoms, try to think of possible heart attack, especially if you are in that age of at risk. And then you observe lang muna sandali, kung tuloy-tuloy pa rin, then consult right away. So act fast, go to the ER immediately. Go to the emergency room immediately. Okay? Summary takeaway for this particular pep talk will be the following. What is the heart month, which is February? What are the usual implications? The implications will be the love, sexual, and cardiovascular health, and how to promote healthy love, sexual health, and healthy cardiovascular health during the heart month. So takeaway in relation to patient empowerment, be always in touch with reliable medical information on Heart Month and its implications on health. Knowledge is power, it gives power. Use the 4Ks of patient empowerment, kaalaman, kakayanan, karapatan, and kapangyarihan to gain greater control over decisions in managing the Heart Month as part of your health management. So with that, I end my pep talk today. I hope I have empowered you to have a understanding on how to manage your heart month as part of your health management in terms of healthy love, healthy sexual activities, and then the cardiovascular health. So today is February 14. Happy Valentine's Day from me. Okay. Reminder, before we go to the QA, reminder after the pep talk, please take the online learning com evaluation test exercise for mastery of learning and have a perfect score to get a certificate like this. Okay, I placed the link in the chat box. And then obtaining 25 or letter certificates will entitle one mentee to a voucher for a RO hospital medical consultation, either face-to-face or telemedical. Another request, please type in your feedback in the chat box during the open forum and before we adjourn. So let's now have a group picture taking before we start the QA and interactions. Turn on your video now. Okay, let's have a, are you all ready? Who wants to be included in the picture? Nana? One, one, two, three. Oops. Okay, the floor is now open for comments, questions, consultations. Meron din consultations in terms of Hartmans. Pwede rin, no? Okay. Okay. Anybody? So what's your, who are celebrating Valentine's Day today? May kamay siya
Wala
pa.
po, Dok. Hindi kami nagka-celebrate ng Valentine's.
Hindi ka nagse-celebrate? Okay, why?
Hindi naman po, Dok. Parang ano lang, natural na sa amin 'tong araw na 'to. Kasi araw-araw naman ay araw ng puso para sa amin.
Okay, good. Okay, that's a good good answer. Araw-araw. Okay. But make this day special. Put more, especially put something more intense, a love for your children, love for other people. No? Okay. So, pwede
Opo,
yun.
Dok.
Okay. Parang yung mga milestones, yung mga gano'n, celebration, parang ano lang, intensify mo lang, parang reminder lang na gano'n. No? Okay. Just like today, I just put some more effort. Wala dapat akong clinic. Nag-clinic lang ako kasi may isang nagmamadali to aalis siya. So pinuntahan ko na lang. No? So that's my sign of love for this patient. No? Okay, compassionate. Okay. Ano pa? So, how many are putting importance on the cardiovascular health? Wala. Pag Valentine's Day, nakatutok sa love, romantic love. No? So make February a month to remind you that you have to, I measure my blood pressure. Normal ako, 116 over 76. Normal. Kaya sabi ko, masaya ako. No? Okay. So, focus on yung cardiovascular health. I-remind na lang yung sarili niyo na you have to protect your heart also. Blood pressure, and then particularly blood pressure. Then blood sugar, if you, kung diabetic kayo, make sure that you're following all the mga instructions sa mga doktor, no? Then cholesterol, bawasan lang niyo yung high fat diet. Of course, exercise will help also, no? Okay. Okay. So take note of that. Okay. Cardiovascular health, hindi lang lovey-dovey during Valentine's Day. Okay. Any questions? Any comments? No questions? Myla, thank you for joining us. Long time no see. Okay. Unmute ka. Unmute. Hindi mo ma-unmute, Myla? Wala? Sige, we'll wait for you later on. Seni, kumusta ka na, Seni?
Dok. Okay naman po, Dok.
So, how are you spending your Valentine's today? Lalabas ka? Ma-traffic?
Mamaya, 6 p.m.
Dok, may tanong po ako. Dok.
Sino? Sino
Doc,
may tanong? Si
Ako
Rochelle.
po, Dok. Si
Rochelle.
Monet po, Monet.
Si Monet. Si Monet
Opo.
pala ito.
Tatanong ko po, Dok, kasi po, 4 na araw na po nangangalay itong dito po sa kaliwa ako. Tapos po, masakit po yung back pain ko. Tapos, yung pong blood pressure ko po, 134/96.
134
Over
over
96.
Ano yung dati mo?
Ano po, dati po, normal lang po. Tapos, 4 na araw na po mataas ang BP ko. Kahapon po, over 99. Paiba-iba po. Hindi bumababa. 96, 95, nagaganon po siya.
Okay. May inom ka ba ng gamot for hypertension? Hindi naman.
Wala pa po, hindi pa. Ngayon lang po tumaas ng ganyan yung BP ko.
Hindi. Ilang beses mo chinek yung blood pressure mo?
Ano po, 3 araw na po, Dok.
Palaging ganon.
Opo, basta po sa 9 hanggang 90 hanggang umaabot po ng 99. Kuminsan po 94, 96. Kanina po 96, over 96.
Over 96. Yung sa itaas, yung systolic, ilan?
134 po, ganun na. 134, 135, ganun po, Dok.
Okay. Baka kailangan mo ng, for the blood pressure yon, no?
Nangangalay po, Dok, tong ano ko ito, nangangalay. Paggabi, yung nangangalay po siya. Tapos masakit po dito sa back pain po.
Okay. Hindi, hiwalayin natin muna yung blood.
Opo.
Kasi pag mayroon kang sakit, kumisan tumataas yung blood pressure mo kung wala kang gamot, no?
Opo.
Okay. So you may have to take yung gamot para sa hypertension mo kung 3 days na minomonitor mo mataas, no? Or tingnan natin kung may trigger, may causes for the hypertension, yung ngalay mo at saka sakit ng likod, meron kang lagnat?
Wala po, di naman. Sakit lang po ulo ko lagi.
Ilang araw na yung ngalay mo?
Ano po, 4 na araw na.
Okay. May nabuhat kang mabigat o ano?
Minsan po, nagbubuhat.
Hindi, kaya i-recall mo, i-trace back mo, baka may nabuhat kang mabigat during the past 1 week. Tapos baka sumakit, no? Pero pag ganon, nakakatulog ka naman.
Hindi nga po ako makatulog. Sa ngalay po to eh. Nangangalay to. Hanggang dito po, ang ngalay niya.
May naku na lang paracetamol kung hindi ka makatulog.
Opo, umiinom
No?
po ako. Nawawala naman po siya, Dok. Pero po, maya po, yan na naman. Balik na naman siya.
Okay. So, isama mo na yung konting exercise na lang.
Po, ginaganong-ganon nga po, Dok.
Exercise mo na lang, ha? Yung matinding exercise. Na? Then, 1 week. Then, balitaan mo ako kung anong progress. Okay?
Opo, Dok. Thank you po.
Okay. So, nice to see you joining. Tinulungan ka ba ni Rochelle pumasok dito?
Opo, tinuruan na po. Sa sunod po, sa cellphone ko na po, nag-ano pa po kasi ako ng Zoom, yung apps ng Zoom. Sa
Okay.
cellphone ko.
So, sali ka.
Dito niya po
Halika
muna
para-
ako pinaano sa niya, laptop niya.
Tama. Para may free voucher ka susunod.
Opo. May trabaho po kasi siya, kaya hindi po siya naka-attend.
Okay.
Hi, Doc Ray.
Okay. Myla, may ano ka? Kumusta ka na? Long time no see.
Opo.
okay naman po. Ang problem ko lang po yung talaga yung sa buto, sobra. Siguro po,
Lakasan mo yung boses mo.
ay, sa buto lang po talaga, grabe po yung sakit. Hindi ako nakakatulog. Pero siguro po dahil side effect po nung letrozole, dahil nagle-letrozole po kasi ako.
Oo.
Kaya side effect po siguro ng letrozole. Tapos naka-schedule din po ako ng cylindronic sa infusion sa March 30 po.
Sa bone,
Opo,
cylindronic.
opo. Tapos
Oo.
may sa March 3 po, may bone density. I-check po yung
Okay.
opo.
Sige.
Yung
Okay.
sa heart naman po, ano naman po ako, every 3 months po, na-check naman po lahat ng cholesterol, yung nagpapa-check up din po ako sa cardio. Kasi nagkaroon na rin po ako before ng TIA, so naka-monitor naman po. So far naman po, okay po, 120/80 po yung BP ko today. So normal naman po siya.
Very
Okay
good.
naman. And
Nag-exercise ka?
yes po, kaya lang yung mga simpleng stretching lang po kasi yung hindi ko na po kaya yung sa buto. Meron po akong sinusundan sa kung familiar po kayo kay Justin Agustin, sinusundan ko po yung mga exercises po niya kahit po nakahiga or nakaupo. Tapos yung parang simpleng yoga po para kahit nandito po ako sa office na gagalaw ko po yung mga kamay at paa ko po.
Very good. May programa ka. Tuloy mo lang. Tuloy mo lang.
Opo.
Pero I want to see you one of these days, ha?
Yes po. Inaano lang po, wala lang po kasi ako makasama. Hirap na po kasi ako pag bumabiyahe ng malayo po eh.
Para
Pero
bakit?
i-schedule po namin po siya. Inaano po namin baka itong March po. Papasyal po kami sa inyo po. After
Okay.
po. Opo.
Pero,
Bago po ako
sige.
mag-cylindronic po.
Okay. So I want to see you firsthand para makita kita. Tagal na tayo hindi nagkita, no?
Po, tsaka Dok, masakit pa rin talaga yung dito ko. Sobrang sakit pa rin.
Yeah. Kaya nga, gusto ko ma-examine. Ano, ha?
Opo.
Okay. Sige. Thank you for
Doc.
joining us. No?
Salamat
Valentine's
din po.
Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, Doc.
Okay. Sino pa? Mayan, meron ka Valentine's today? Anong ginagawa mo today?
Wala po, Dok.
Bahay
Wala
lang.
naman po asawa eh.
Ha?
Wala naman po ako asawa.
Hindi mo kailangan may asawa to celebrate Valentine's, ha?
Mamaya po lalabas po kami ng anak ko tsaka nanay ko.
Ayan. Love for your neighbors, love for doesn't have to be your lover, no. Okay? So, and then yung cardiovascular health mo, ha? Tandaan mo lang, ha?
Opo, Dok.
BP, no? Okay.
Thank you po,
Okay,
Dok.
any more? Any more comments? So, think of love in general. Kung meron kayong involved in romantic love, make sure it's a responsible love, responsible sex, okay. Moral and safe sex, kung ano, okay. And then the rest, cardiovascular health na, yung BP ninyo, no? Okay? So, if there are no more questions, we'll call it a day. We'll see each other next week again. Okay. Perla, may sasabihin ka?
Ay, may tatanong lang kasi ako, Doktor.
Sige.
Meron pa ba tayong oras?
Meron pa.
Kasi last year po, Doktor, nagpunta ako sa aking cardiologist kasi nagreklamo ako kasi masasakit yung mga paa ko ba. Nag-request ako ng scan, yung parang venous scan ba yun? Tapos nung may resulta, sabi niya, pumunta ka sa, parang hindi niya kaya, pumunta ako sa cardiovascular. Ang sabi ng cardiologist, sabi niya,
napunta ka sa cardiologist, pinapunta sa
tapos nung makita niya yung
cardiovascular.
resulta, sabi niya, ay pumunta ka sa cardiovascular, sabi niya.
Sinong
Nagpunta ako sa
cardiovascular?
cardiovascular doctor. Tapos ang sabi ng cardiovascular,
ano kaibahan ng cardiologist sa cardiovascular doctor?
hindi ko alam, doktor, kasi siya ay cardiologist. Tapos yung pinuntahan ko is cardiology, gist, and cardiovascular. Nakalagay sa kanyang baba ng kanyang pangalan.
Okay.
Pinapunta niya po ako doon. Siguro hindi niya kaya.
Okay.
Tapos sabi ng cardiovascular ko, meron daw akong DBT nagkaroon daw po ako ng deep vein thrombosis, parang may
Okay.
namuo na dugo sa aking singit.
Okay.
Opo, tapos niresahatan niya ako ng apixaban eliquis, parang thinner, blood thinner ba yun, doktor?
Oo.
Oo, nireseta niya ako noon. Nag-take off ng 3 months kasi ang sakit nga ng mga paa ko.
Mm.
Pagkatapos ng 3 months, ni-request niya ako ulit ng yung venous scan, parang nawala na po. Pero
Mhm.
sabi ko, bakit doktor, nawala na? Bakit ang sasakit pa rin ng mga paa ko? Eh, pinaano niya ako yung nerve, yung ankle brachial ba yun? Ankle
Oo.
brachial, tapos
Oo.
yung sa neurologist, yung ano ba
Oo.
yung nerve. Oh, normal
Ah.
naman. Tapos nireseta niya ako ulit, doktor, ng yung Solodexide, Beseljo, na yun yung ininom ko. Pero masakit pa rin. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit masasakit pa rin mapaa ako, madaling mangalay. Pag nakatayo ako, madaling mangalay.
Okay. Sige, anong gusto mong malaman sa akin?
Bakit kaya madaling mangalay, doktor? Ang dami ko nang inom na gamot, ganun.
Number one,
Eh,
you go back to your diagnosis. Palaging umpisa ang diagnosis. Yung mga nararamdaman mo, ang question is it really deep vein thrombosis? Baka hindi, na? Is it due to the bronchia, yung mga ang tawag doon, yung mga tendon, yung mga nerve, na? Ganon. So
po.
baka hindi, na? Baka lang kasi hindi siya gumagaling, na? Okay. So you have to consider other diagnoses. Yung mga, kumisan, yung mga tendinitis, yung mga okay, yung mga weak na muscle, tsaka joint, no? Due to, kumisan, lack of exercise, no? Okay. So, may exercise ka ba dun sa paa mo? Nag-squatting ka ba?
Meron, doktor, kasi nagpa-therapy nga ako sa PGH, doktor eh. Oo,
Gaano kadalas,
nagpa-therapy po ako.
gaano kadalas yung therapy mo?
Naka 4 sessions ako.
Yan lang?
Ang sabi ng doktor, 4 sessions ang binigay sa akin. Ang sabi ng doktor, hindi daw nerve, kundi veins daw yung aking sakit. Kaya,
Four sessions lang? 4 sessions
apat
lang?
lang po binigay doktor eh.
Hindi kakayanin nun kasi baka hindi lang kasi maraming kung sa paa, maraming causes yon. It could be a combinations, no? Not only vein, saka
Mhm.
yung nerve, saka tendon, etc. No? Iba-iba, no? May
Opo.
combination yan. No? It cannot be purely isa lang, no? Okay. So ang gagawin mo lang sa akin exercise pa rin, no? Pero yung rehab, makakatulong ng sandali lang yon. But in the end, it's still your regular na meron kang regimen ng rehab, exercise, no? Example, yung squatting, no? Saka yung vertical lunge, yung mag-genuflex ka. Do it every day, mga 15-20 minutes per day, tuloy-tuloy lang, no? Okay. So ako, ganun din ako
Oh,
dati, masakit, no? So,
masakit nga, doktor. Ginagawa ko doon yung tiptoe, yung mga napapanood ko sa
yeah,
FB, mga tiptoe exercise. Tapos
yeah,
yung
but do
mga,
it,
yun,
but,
ginagawa ko, doktor, yung nakahiga, na tinataas ang paa. Kasi yun
but
naman ang ginawa ko sa PGH eh, yung ganun.
But do it regularly, every day. Kaya mo?
Oo, opo.
Every day.
Eh, kakayanin ko nga, doktor, kasi masakit yung paa ko. Gumagamit nga po ako ng compression stocking kasi yun ang inano ng doktor sa akin, yung cardiovascular doktor ko.
Visit,
Naka-compression stocking
dalawin mo
nga ako
ako one
ngayon.
of these days. Tingnan ko.
Ano po, doktor?
Dalawin mo ako sa clinic ko para makita ko.
Oh, sige, doktor. One time nga pumunta ako. Meron naman ko ako sigurong 25 na vouchers na. Pwede na ba
Oo.
yung gamitin, doktor? Kasi yung
Sige.
last na consultation ko is June 2025.
Oo, baka meron na. I-compile mo lang. Ibigay mo sa akin yung mga
Opo,
number.
sige, doktor. Pupunta ako mag-ano na lang ako, mag-chat po ako.
Sige. Okay. Kasi
Okay po, doktor. Thank you.
importante kasi makita ko eh. No?
Opo.
Okay. Okay? Basta for the moment, exercise, come out with the regular exercise na stretching, flexing, squatting, genuflection, na do it every day. Every day, ha? Wag
Opo.
yung once in a month, once in 2
Mm.
weeks. But every day yon, na? Okay.
Opo.
Hindi ko kaya yung therapy, huwag kayo aasa sa physical therapy, sandali lang yan, hindi na susustain yun eh, no? Okay. So
Opo.
gawin nyo on your own, no? Okay.
Opo.
Okay? Sige, magkita tayo one of these days.
O, sige po, Doktor. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay
Any
po.
more? Any more? Wala na.
Dok, ako po, Dok.
Sino to?
Nahabol ako, Dok.
Si Gerald.
Si
Okay. Si Cathy. Kat.
Opo, Dok, kasi ano, Dok,
Patingin
parang
mo mukha mo.
in-rate-
Patingin mukha mo.
Ay, wait lang po.
Oh,
Dok,
may buhok.
yung lately po, parang bats yung so,
Chappy. Tanggalin mo na yung
Okay na.
picture mo. Chappy eh.
Kaya po.
Exercise na ako. Exercise yung tiptoe. Marami siyang tinuro
Ayan
sa
po,
akin.
Dok, okay na po.
Ayan. Mas malinaw na. Sige. Ano?
Opo. Yun nga po, Dok, kasi po nung nakaraang linggo po, parang nagkaroon ako ng sipon tsaka ubo na halos nahihirapan akong huminga, Dok. Tapos nung medyo gumaling na nga po, nung nag-flu sila ko, sabi po ni Doc Lance na wala siya yung plema. Kaso po, Doc, parang lagi na akong hinahapo. Parang konting lakad lang hinahapo na. Hindi siya yung katulad dati na hindi naman sobra akong hinahapon ng gusto. Katulad lang ba yun, Doc? Or kailangan ko magpatingin sa magpa-ECG or
Patingin ka sa akin. Patingin ka sa amin
ano
muna.
kaya
Patingin ka sa amin bago mo patingin sa iba. Okay? Bago ka magpa-ECG,
sige, Doc.
magpa-ano. Okay? So,
Apo. Kasi po, Doc, sa Monday po ang start ng radiation ko eh. And sabi ko po kay Lance, siguro tapos na po ako ng katapusan ng March. Kasi 6 weeks lang naman po yung sa akin ni Doc Sereno. Yung in-endorse niya po sa akin na doktor.
pero may ubo ka. Tama.
Ngayon, Doc, wala na, Doc. Medyo
wala
okay
na.
na ako. Pati yung plema kasi yung binigay po ni Doc Lance na Flumosil, ay yun po yung ininom ko. Medyo naging okay na po ako. Kaso nga,
Okay.
Doc, yun nga, parang konting kilos lang, konting lang, hinahapo agad ako.
Sige, kailan ang radiotherapy mo?
Sa Monday na po, Doc, ang start. Ang tapos po ay parang katapusan po ng March. So baka po April ako makapunta sa inyo, Doc. Ganon.
Pero sige, sana umigi yung hapo mo, no? So ganon.
Opo, Doc.
So kung hindi, puntahan mo kami after 1 week na radiotherapy, ganon. Kung pwede ka para makita namin.
Apo, sige po, Doc.
Kaya tanungin mo kay Dr. Sereno, bakit ka ganon, no?
Apo.
Okay?
Apo, Doc.
Kasi-
Salamat po, Doc.
Sige, kasi 1 month baka masyadong matagal, baka hindi namin maano.
Okay po, Doc. Sige po.
Okay.
Salamat po.
Okay. Sige. Okay. No more questions? Wala na. We'll call it day. Happy Valentine's Day. Okay. Give love to everybody, not only to your spouse, no, but to your loved ones, your children, no, your brothers, sisters, etc. And then do not forget your blood pressure, yung heart health, dapat na exercise, gano'n. Na? Saka yung diet ninyo. Okay. See you next week.
Have a
Salamat
nice
po.
weekend po, Dr. Ray.
Bye-bye.
Happy Valentine's po.
Happy Valentine's also to all of
Happy
you.
Valentine's po sa ating lahat.
Bye-bye.
Thank you po.
Hi, Ate Seni.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's po.
Bye-bye.